How to inspect elements in Google Chrome? Here's how. Want to see how a website is built or inspect a specific part of a web page? You can do that easily using Chrome's Inspect tool. First, open Google Chrome and go to any website. Now, right-click anywhere on the web page. From the menu, click Inspect. This will open Chrome DevTools, usually on the right side of the screen. You'll see several tabs and sections here. The Elements tab shows the HTML structure of the web page. You can click different elements to see the code behind them. On the right side, you'll find the Styles section, where you can view the CSS that controls how the selected element looks. You can also use the Element Selector tool to inspect a specific part of the web page. Click the selector icon at the top of DevTools. Then, move your mouse over any element on the page. Click it, and Chrome will highlight the corresponding code in the Elements tab. You can even make temporary changes to the web page. For example, select an element in the Elements tab and edit or remove it to see how the page changes. Keep in mind that these changes only affect your browser and aren't saved to the actual website. If you refresh the page, the changes will disappear. And that's how you can inspect elements and use Chrome developer tools to explore a web page. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.